Hi, I just wanted to do a quick video showing you 4 different ways that we've been talking about in class to divide. So you could draw a picture using the circle and dots method, you can draw an array, you can skip count, or you can use a turnaround fact. Using the circle and dot method, for this math sentence, 8 divided by 4, 4 is the number that tells us how many groups we have, and 8 is the whole. So if I want to have 4 groups, I would just draw 4 circles. And then I'm going to put 1 dot in each circle until I reach this hole. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've reached the 8 that I wanted to get to, and so I see that I have 4 groups and there's 2 in each group, so the answer then is 2. It didn't want to change. The next is to draw an array. So circles and dots are really great for smaller math problems, but not great for when you get into larger numbers. For 36 divided by 9, you could do circles and dots, but you may get confused. An array might be a better option because the information is organized really nicely. 9, again, 9, this number right here tells you how many groups, and this big number tells you how many in all. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. And then I'm going to just add another row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which gives me a total of 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So I stop when I get to 36, and when I'm looking at my array, I can see that I have 4 by 9. So the answer to my multiplication problem is, oops, not 3, it's 4. Skip counting is good if the groups that you're counting by is a number that you know how to skip count by easily. For example, 5s or 10s. Some of you can skip count by 7s because of the song we sing in class a lot. So in this example, I'm going to skip count by 5 until I get to 30. So 5, and then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I stop at this large number and I see how many groups I needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. So the answer is 6. And then last but not least is my favorite method because it's the fastest, but it only works if you know your multiplication facts. You can turn around your division problem. When I see 27 divided by 3, I automatically turn it around and I think 3 times what equals 27. I can do any of the methods I just talked about, skip counting by 3s, repeated addition, or just knowing your fact. I know that 3 times 9 equals 27. So 27 divided by 3 must also equal 9 because we know that it's a fact family and they go together. I hope this video helped show you some strategies you can use when solving division problems.